Hello students, today will we discuss about how to develop speaking skills. ओके आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्पीकिंग स्किल को कैसे विकसित किया जाए. ओके पहले पढ़ेंगे व्हाट आर स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. स्पीकिंग स्किल्स क्या होते हैं. द एबिलिटी टू स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली एंड फ्लुएंटली इज समथिंग विच चिल्ड्रन will develop during their time at school and something that will help them throughout their life. Speaking skills are defined as the skills which allow us to communicate effectively. They give us the ability to convey information verbally and in a way that the listener can understand. Children will learn English speaking skills as well as speaking skills in other languages in primary and secondary school. Learning how to develop English speaking skills is so important for ESL students and EAL students too. It's one of the most important parts of language learning, as speaking is how we tend to communicate in everyday life. Speaking is an interactive process. Information is shared and, if necessary, upon by the listener. Okay. Next, how to develop English speaking skill with ESL students. Practice makes perfect when it comes to developing English speaking skills. Listening to English, understanding grammar and reading can all help slightly, but they are never going to improve English speaking skills to the extent it is possible. Your class need to actually speak as ESL students. Understanding the nature of English can be a real struggle. Students with different native languages can be at a disadvantage because of the nature of English. Here are some helpful tips on how to develop English speaking skills. First, learn new vocabulary in phrases. Although learning new words and their pronunciation is always beneficial, some words need to be learned in phrases to be of much use when speaking in English. Next, focus on pronunciation. Although learning lots of vocabulary can boost English skills, if these words are not pronounced correctly, it can be easy to misunderstand what the student is saying. A top tip to ensure students pronounce the words they have learned correctly could be to try some tongue twisters. For example, this PowerPoint full of tongue twisters would be really useful to get your class practicing. Next, ensure they understand how English flows. With ESL students, an important focus on how to develop English speaking skills is to get them into the flow of how English is usually spoken. This is because often their native language has a very different flow. Native speakers of English links words together, often resulting in a sound disappearing or a new sound being made. There are often some syllables stressed that would not be in other languages or a different rhythm overall. Next, get them to practice self-talk. This involves getting them to talk loudly in English to themselves. This could be before completing a task such as, shall we go and grab a coffee, to I need to go to the gym tonight. Last, encourage your students to download practice apps. This can break down difficult language into manageable chunks that can be practiced on the go at regular intervals. Okay. Children who are learning English as an additional language may need extra help developing their speaking skills and fluency in English. We have put together some ideas for assisting EL children in learning spoken English. देखिए, आत्मविश्वास और जो धारा प्रवाह बोलने की क्षमता एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो बच्चे स्कूल में अपने समय के दौरान विकसित करते हैं और ये सब उन्हें जीवन भर करने में मदद करता है। बोलने के कौशल को ऐसे कौशल के रूप में परिभाषित किया जाता है जो हमें प्रभावी ढंग से संवाद करने की अनुमति देता है। वे हमें मौखिक रूप से और इस तरह से जानकारी देने की क्षमता रखते हैं कि सुनने वाला समझ सके। बच्चे प्राथमिक और माध्यमिक विद्यालयों में अंग्रेजी बोलने के कौशल के साथ साथ अन्य भाषाओं में बोलने के कौशल भी सीखते हैं। अंग्रेजी बोलने के कौशल को विकसित करना सीखना छात्रों और EL छात्रों के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि ये भाषा सीखने के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सों में से एक है। बोलना यह है कि हम रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में कैसे संवाद करते हैं। द 4 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ स्पीकिंग स्किल्स, इसके 4 एलिमेंट्स हैं। फर्स्ट है वोकेबुलरी। To develop our speaking skills, we first need to know that right words. Vocabulary development begins when we are infants as we learn to describe the world around us and communicate our needs. This progress from single words to sentences when children are 2 or 3, at which point they will normally have a vocabulary of 150 and 300 words. Vocabulary development is where students understand the meaning and pronunciations of words necessary for communication. When they understand what a word means, they can check what the word or sentences means. This is so important so they can keep up a conversation. If they understand what the other person is saying and they know what vocabulary to say back, they are halfway there to communicating effectively. Next, grammar. You may think that grammar is something we only need for written language. What grammar includes lots of important areas for spoken language such as an understanding of tenses and the correct way to structure sentences. Grammar helps us to convey information in a way that the listener will recognize and understand. Next है pronunciation. Understanding how to correctly pronounce words is another important element of speaking English. We learn how to pronounce words while listening to those around us, such as our parents, friends, and teachers. Pronunciation varies from country to country and even city to city. A lot of this comes from phonemic awareness. This involves understanding the small units that make up spoken language. English can differ quite a lot compared to other languages. Some phonemes might do not be in a ESL student native language, and children's minds are trained to categorize phonemes in their first language, so it can become confusing. Developing the ability in English can come from playing language games and using songs and poems to reiterate rhythm and repetition. Speaking skills on the national curriculum. The national curriculum states that spoken language is a crucial part of learning English in school. Throughout primary school, children will learn to listen and respond to teachers and classmates, build their vocabulary, use spoken language to express feelings, give explanations and describe, ask questions to increase their understanding, participate in drama, conversation, role play, discussions and debates, understand formal and informal speech, listen and understand different points of view. Fluency. Fluency in spoken language is something that naturally develops as children go through schools. As they are using and practicing speaking skills every day, reading widely is good way to improve fluency as it introduces children to new vocabulary and reinforces their knowledge of spoken language. Fluency is the ability to hear words and understand them straight away. If they see a word written down, they can read it aloud and pronounce it properly. Way to develop this include guiding your students to read passages out loud. You could also get your students to read aloud in front of the class. This builds their confidence and also helps them to enunciate better. The more fluent your students are in English, the more interesting, exciting, and insightful conversation they can help. Children who are learning English as an additional language may need extra help developing their speaking skills and fluency in English. We have put together some ideas for assisting EL children in learning spoken English. Okay. Thank you for watching.